You violated this court order.
Yeah, Lordship. The court was aware, Your Lordship.
Huh?
The Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
Court was aware.
Yes, it was aware.
And court allowed you to, according to you, court allowed you to flout its own order.
Because the tender process,
In
Your
this case, Your Lordship, there is a tender ordered by the respondent number 2 for distribution of the books in the different districts and places, Your Lordship, wherein I qualified in the technical bid as well as in the financial bid L1. Thereafter, there is a reverse readings where also I am L1.
Yeah, what?
L1, Your Lordship.
Reverse?
Auctions, Your Lordship.
It's a reverse auction.
A reverse auction.
Price keeps going down, Your Lordship. Both the bidders are L1 and L2 are given an opportunity. They keep bidding lower and lower. The lowest bid finally wins.
So in both your
So even in the reverse auction, you are number one, L1.
yes, Your Lordship.
Then
But still, Your Lordship,
they have given to somebody else.
To me, it is awarded to respondent number 4.
And L4 was one of the bidders,
No, yeah, he's not the one of the bidders.
but he's a government instrumentality.
Government. Lordship, what had happened in this matter? I have not been served with a copy of the petition. So I am the primary respondent, Your Lordship, respondent number 2 and 3, Textbook Corporation. What had happened was we had initiated a tender process for distribution of free textbooks, which had to be finished before 31st of March because the academic session starts on the 1st. So we were on a strict deadline. A writ petition was filed, Your Lordship, before this honorable court by another bidder, Your Lordship. There was an interim order passed that no final order should be passed in that tender process. Because textbooks were lying in our godown, which had to be completed before 31st March. So we had it done through the Assam State Warehousing Corporation, which is state instrumentality. And my instructions presently is that 98.6% of the work is complete.
How much?
98.6, it's a very precise percentage.
98.6 have been done by the warehousing corporation
And
already.
payments have also been released.
Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, it's a question of unfairness, Your Lordship.
Then you file a damage suit. What is that?
Your Lordship.
Now, if 98.6, another thing, if you look at some judgments of the appeals court, probably this is a contract given to a government instrumental. They are using their money.
Your Lordship, my humble submission, Your Lordship, the entire process is under the GEM portals.
GEM.
And you violated the GEM portal. Your Lordship.
No, Mr. Counsel, now what to do? Now, the thing is that if there is 98.6% has been completed,
Your Lordship, maybe you should let him produce the documents that 98% has been completed, Your Lordship.
Okay.
It's a verbal.
okay.
And in the meantime, Your Lordship, no further work, Your Lordship.
No.
Because it is total violation of the contract, Your Lordship, even the GEM portal, Your Lordship.
When was this tender given to this work order given to this the warehousing corporation?
This is not known to me, Your Lordship. It is given when the interim order of this honorable court was enforced.
There was a earlier case.
There was a
Yes.
case by another tenderer. We were asked not to finalize that tender process.
And
But
during
since-
that period,
We did not finalize the tender process. But since the textbooks had to be distributed anyways, before 31st of March, because the academic session starts on the 1st of
So you violated this court order.
yeah, Lordship.
The court was aware, Your Lordship.
Huh?
The honorable court, Your Lordship.
Court was aware.
Yes, it was aware.
And court allowed you to, according to you, court allowed you to flout its own order.
Because
Mr. KP Pathak,
correspondent numbers 2 and 3 for the textbook corporation.
just say issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. KP Pathak, I accept notice on their response number
2 and 3.
2 and 3 and submits that the distribution of textbooks by the Assam Warehousing Corporation has nearly been completed, in as much as 98.6% of the textbooks have been distributed. Correct?
Yes. And
Who's
payments
for
have,
one? Who is
payments
for?
have also been made.
Huh?
Payments have also been made.
He also submits that payments have been made with respect to the distributed textbooks. Who appears for one? Commissioner Secretary, Government of Assam, School Education.
It is the Education Department.
Who is the council?
Element.
No, we want, I don't know. It says Department of School Education.
I think my learning.
Who?
Actually,
And what about Warehousing Corporation? Notice is applicable. Okay, just right. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon. Huh? Okay, anyway, yes, right. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 4 and 5 by registered post with AD within 2 days. Mr. KP Patha submits that he will file an affidavit
Extra copies may be served.
within 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Extra copies of the petition be served to the counsel for the respondent. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, rest of the fund may not be released to you.
The respondents, the state respondents shall not release any further payment to the respondents number 4 and 5.
Lordship, just one thing. When an interim period is usually made, Your Lordship, there has to be some pleading to the effect that there is a prima facie case balance of convenience is in his favor. There is no pleading to that effect.
Anyway, next.
So, Lordship,
Lordship, for elementary, I can take the notice.
We don't know if it's elementary or what. They said school education. Okay, Miss
And what is it?
N. Bordeloy, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 1.